Welcome to our executive interview series at AITalks, presented by AIScoop. I'm Wyatt Cash, and I'm here with Zach Whitman, Chief Data Scientist and Chief AI Officer at GSA. Zach, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
Yeah, I'd like to start by kind of getting your perspective on how has the integration of AI into government services evolved from just last year, and what do you think are the most significant changes you've observed since then?
Yeah, so we've had a history of using AI in some form or function across the agency for many years now. But what I really like to see is the incorporation of the formal memo requirements, the requirements for reporting, for data provenance controls, for transparency, to make sure that we are held accountable to our use of AI in delivery of federal services and ultimately delivering the best product possible for our customers. The AI capabilities that we're seeing are expanding our horizon in terms of timeliness, quality, and we're also working in close coordination with commercial sectors to ensure that we are using the tech appropriately, and then also following and leaning into the EO as much as we can to ensure that the application of this and these use cases are appropriate and are equitable and accessible for everybody.
And then kind of looking forward, what are your expectations or predictions for the role of AI in government services in the coming year, and how do you see it evolving from there?
Yeah, it's an interesting space. I mean, it's hard to predict, but I see there to be an interaction between systems being really the critical piece here. As government, we need to make sure that we are supporting the use of these technologies as fluidly as possible, but doing so in a way that relates to these services directly. And so what do I mean by that is, in the future, I see AI being far more diffuse and transparent, and the idea that you would have to go to a website, gsa.gov, to do something might not be as important as the AI being able to do that for you. In the future, if we see AI being much more of a direct assistant to people, then how do government services interact with those assistants to best serve the public? And I think there's an interesting dynamic there. It pushes us as a federal complex to be more transparent and open in our data sharing so that we can exchange data safely and reliably so that the right information is available to the right agency for the right purpose. And there's a whole bunch of infrastructure that needs to be built up to be able to support something like that at scale.
Well, Zach Whitman, thank you so much for taking a few minutes to share your perspective with us here at AITalks.
Thank you.